Okay, so there I was. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Came out, and the deer were in the fenced area. And they were eating, I think they were eating that blueberry right there. Those bastards. I came out, I was in my underwear, and I put on these big, what are those boots called?
Muck boots?
Muck boots. Big muck boot. And I ran out here, I took my muck boot off, and I threw it at the deer. And the deer jumped within inches of the beehive and smacked right into the fence, right through the fence, made a hole. I almost broke its neck. This close, and it almost tipped over the beehive. I've been here 3 years, and the fucking deer, they have destroyed everything. They take it down to nothing. The deer are the bane of my existence. Emmy, do you like the deer?
You couldn't even chop their head off probably with a saw.
Yeah, you could. Nice and slow.
You'll
Pound
die
deer
too.
suck. I don't know what else to say about them.
I think you'll
What do you
die
think of the
because
deer,
you'll
Ellery?
suffocate the
They're
dust.
delicious.
They're delicious.
They are
You'll die
delicious.
because
They go after the cherry trees.
They do.
They eat figs. They eat things that are not deer-proof, or that are supposedly deer-proof. They just gnaw right through them. They eat blueberries. They love blueberries.
If you
They like
kill
apple
them,
blossoms.
You'll
They
die
took
too
my-
because you'll suffocate of the blood.
The blood. What? Oh. Anyway, they ate all the fruiting spurs off my beautiful North Pole apple tree. If you're gonna have a garden, and I had to go back in time, before you make a big investment, you have to have a plan for a fence, because they're gonna break your heart. Look at them; they're not afraid of anything.
Hey, deer.
Hey, deer! 2 birds, 1 stone, backyard gardening and living. Pacific
Deer.
Northwest, Zone 8B, Olympic Peninsula. The deer are a problem.
They're pooping.